strawberry.
And we're going to put that on at the end, aren't we?
Yeah,
But we have to make the pancakes first, don't we?
Yeah.
But it will be nice in a minute, won't it? There, in the bowl.
Did you go there? I get it. Just a bit more. I got this whisk and I got oh, bubbles!
Like that.
Have we made pancakes before?
We have made pancakes before.
Yeah, one more. Oh yeah. One more.
We are going to make the
Can I mix
pancakes.
it with?
Okay.
Can I pour it? Can I do it?
No, you're too small.
Nice.
Oh, you're making a face?
Yeah.
That's clever.